CommsChoice is an information and communications technology managed service provider, or ICT as we call it, to clients across Australia, New Zealand and Singapore. CommsChoice is bringing together 5 leading ICT services businesses in Australia that currently service the enterprise, small business and international markets. We believe that a consolidated group will provide significant scale, revenue and cost synergies, as well as an enhanced product and service offering, and importantly, a platform for strong future growth. ICT is in many ways the backbone of our clients' business operations. It's the data connections, the voice services, the data networks that clients require. Technology is critical to the way businesses communicate internally, but also externally with its clients. So the optimal mix of ICT is really important these days for businesses. CommsChoice has a vendor-agnostic business model, and what this means is we have over 400 modular ICT products and services that we can sell to our clients. So unlike the big competitors, the Telstras, the Vocuses, the TPGs, we don't invest in the physical infrastructure, and so we don't have to get a return on that infrastructure. We sell the best available services and technologies into our clients based on their requirements. The 3 key pillars of our business model are procure and implement, manage and maintain, and optimise. The procure and implement is upfront as we're designing and implementing a network and looking at how we can save money on your existing network. The manage and maintain is the ongoing management and maintenance of that network so that you have performance, and the optimise is continually optimising the mix of ICT products and services that you have in your network as your business grows. CommsChoice has over 3,000 clients across Australia, New Zealand and Singapore. We serve 3 market segments. We serve enterprise, small business and international. The enterprise segment is made up of clients with between 250 to 5,000 employees. The small business is made up of companies with between 20 and 250 employees. And our international market is made up of typically Australian multinationals. A great example is one of our clients is an Australian multinational in the travel sector. It's got 12 offices globally and it has phone systems in each of those offices. When they came to us, they didn't have a single line of sight across their global network. They had multiple bills and they had multiple rates from multiple carriers. When they came to us, we put the phone systems into the cloud and we gave them a single global voice network, and that resulted in significant cost savings and efficiency benefits for our client. You have 3 parts to the revenue model. The first is the ongoing annuity and support fees. Now this is 80% of our revenue, the most important, and this is the revenue that we get from managing our clients' ICT requirements in a managed services contract, anywhere from 12 months up to 5 years. The second is the upfront fees that we get for implementing networks, so the hardware costs, the network design, the consulting fees. And the final part is sharing in any cost savings that we get, that we can make with our clients. We think there's a tremendous opportunity in the ICT market at the moment. It's highly fragmented, and we think that provides a business of scale to target selective acquisitions in the small to medium-sized enterprise market. We've spoken to over 100 companies over the last 12 months, and we think there's a significant opportunity for acquisitions. The market opportunity for ICT services in Asia Pacific is significant. It's currently valued at $54 billion, growing at 9% per year, to a market value of $92 billion by 2022. There are several factors that are driving the market at the moment. The first is the sophistication of the ICT products and services that are in the market. The second is the internet speeds that are now being sought. The digitisation of businesses, the move to cloud, and also the move to managed services. We think the vendor-agnostic model is the future of ICT. Many of our competitors have invested billions of dollars in infrastructure that they've got to get a return on. The vendor-agnostic model means that we can choose the best mix of services available for our clients' needs. The ICT experience across the board of management is extensive, with over 20 years average experience across the ICT industry. So I personally spent over 15 years in the ICT industry at Optus and AAPT, and have a further 10 years experience across engineering infrastructure and utilities. John Mackay is the chairman of CommsChoice. John brings significant experience managing public companies. He's currently the chairman of Speedcast, which is an ASX 200 company. And John brings tremendous commercial governance and strategy experience to our board. Peter McGrath has joined the board as an independent non-executive director. Peter brings significant experience in telecoms, over 30 years. He's run companies like NextGen and also VisionStream for Leighton. The ASX listing is just the start of the journey for CommsChoice. The company is bringing together 5 leading ICT service providers, and the listing will provide us with the opportunity to grow our business. in particular through the credibility we get as a listed entity, as well as a platform for future growth through acquisition. In terms of the use of funds as part of the consolidation of the 5 entities, the vendors will be paid $25.2 million. The majority of this is in scrip, with 70% being issued at IPO, and the remaining being issued on completion of certain representations and warranties. However, approximately $2.27 million will be paid out as cash to the vendors. Crucially, as a growth business, $3.9 million will be going to working capital and general corporate purposes, which will help with our growth strategy.